my god, these are awesome. Come on, don't stop now.
Oh, just look at them.
Oh, they're doing the same one. Oh, I think they stopped.
Oh, so those two.
Yeah, copycat. Okay, Ben. Ben, can I? You can light it. Okay. Sick.
Then you can pick it up later.
Dad, I'm gonna keep some here.
Oh, Benny. Benny, wait.
Everybody back up.
Are they done over here? Yeah. It's just like your ears. It's like squeals.
That's okay.
Put your face out of it, Benny.
I heard Dad squeal, so I'm not
Okay. That was pretty cool.
All right, now don't go for it, Benny.
I'm gonna go kick it.
One more little rocket.
All right, one more, and then we're gonna,
One more
we're
rocket,
gonna shut
Jason.
down for the night.
Okay, let's go get it.
Are you this is for YouTube?
Yeah, I can only do it like 4 minutes long because my storage sucks.
But Jace, I need you to cut my face out.
Okay, I can.
Can you cut this whole part out right now?
Yeah. Why?
Because I just don't like my face and things.
I haven't even showed your face, so.
What's my voice? Make it really deep. Like this.
I can. Dude, I won't show your face. Why do you not want your
Alright,
face
guys.
shown?
This is gonna be it, and then we're going to bed.
Okay.
Yes! We stayed out later than they did. Hoorah. Oh, God, no.
Jace, move.
I said, yay, we stayed out later. They're like, we're coming back. I'm like, oh, God.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. I stuck it on.
They've been very nice. They're good. Oh, Christ.
That was pretty cool.
Jared,
That was pretty cool, wasn't it?
what was that?
Those things are awesome. I have like 8 of those in ends.
What are you doing?
I'm recording for YouTube. Do you want your face cut out?
I don't care.
Ben does. I had to have it under his. I had to have it like this so his head is cut off. Oh, sweet.
All right, try to be steady with the camera so people can see it. Wait, come in the street.
Oh my God! Look at those guys.
Jace, come on.
How are these even legal, guys?
Probably not.
I'm talking to the people watching. That's awesome. This is what our show's gonna look. Tomorrow I'm gonna film the 4th.
Just
Oh, Jace, tomorrow's
for the
gonna be
cannon.
amazing.
Just wait for the camera.
I know.
Hi. A big cannon. It's gonna be like,
Really? I've done a good job of keeping your face out.
Jace, you know they're really,
It's
really.
so dark.
But Jace, you know they're really, really.
So dark. Is anybody lighting anything? I almost hope they come back out so this isn't like a boring 20 seconds.
Wait, Jace.
I'm just gonna pause this until they light something. Peace. There we go. Now you can say it.
Bye, YouTube.
There you go.
I'm giving away.
Ben, he won't say anything because he wants his voice and his face cut out.
All right, guys.
Now I have to spend an hour editing this so his voice is deep.
No, hey, somebody
No
grab
one
that-
knows me anyway.
somebody grab that light.
Yeah. Peace out, YouTube.